Dear student, continues of chapter number 1. Our next topic is Battle of the Plassey. Siraj Uddola became Nawab of Bengal in the year 1756. Dear children, what they have to given that? They have to given that Siraj Uddola became the Nawab of which year? The Siraj Uddola became the Nawab of Bengal in the year 1756. He had an overwhelming influence over the British. What they have to given that? They have to given that he had an overwhelming influence into the British ruler. That's why the British helped the competitor of Sirajuddaulah by conspiring against him so that he would not remain on the throne of the Bengal. Now what happened that British was helping the Siraj Uddaulah's competitor. That's why Siraj Uddaula unsatisfied from the British ruler, and there was frequent conflict with the British merchant regarding the payment of the taxation. And that's why what happened that there was a conflict between British merchant versus Sirajuddaulah regarding with the payment of taxation. When the British merchant failed to pay the tax which were applicable to both Indian and foreign merchant, the situation came to be the boiler. Now what happened that here whenever the Indian and foreign merchant are not pay the taxes, and that's why the situation was to be the very boiler. He ordered that the British should not fortify the factory, pay the taxes as per the rules and the trade as per the terms and the condition. What the Sirajuddaulah told that? Sirajuddaulah told that as per the order whatever given to the East India Company, then East India Company not pay the taxes, and also they cannot follow the terms and conditions as per the business for the trading purpose. This provocation was enough for the Siraj to opt for the war, and he succeeded in explaining the British from the Calcutta. The British counter-attacked under the leadership of the Robert Clive. Now, what happened there? Now, there was a war between British East India Company versus Sirajuddaulah. And who was the leader of British East India Company? Robert Clive was the leader of the British East India Company. Clive bribed Mir Jafar, the commander in the chief of Sirajuddaulah. Who was the chief commander of Sirajuddaulah? Mir Jafar. Full name of Mir Jafar is Mir Jafar Ali Khan, was the commander in chief of Sirajuddaulah, with a promise to confirm the throne of the Bengal to him and convince him to join their side. So now what happened there? Robert Clive give the bribe to the commander of Sirajuddaulah, and Robert Clive convinced the Mir Jafar that he has to join from his side, and he have given the throne of the Bengala, and with the help of this Robert Clive defeated and murdered Siraj Uddaullah in the Battle of Plassey, and this was the first war fought by the company in India, which marked the beginning of the British rule in the India. And this is the first war fought by the company into the India, and this is the beginning of the British rule in India. Thus, this war is considered to be the turning point in the history of the India. What happened that here? This is the first war done by the British East India Company, and second is the most important thing that here this war is main turning point in the history of the India. So dear children, from what we have to learn from the Battle of Plassey? Here we have know that from the Battle of the Plassey, the British East India Company was victory. In which place the Battle of Plassey was done? In the place of Plassey, where it is located into the Bengal region. Who is the leader of the British East India Company? Robert Clive is the leader of the British East India Company. That's why the Battle of Plassey was to be done of British East India Company versus the Nawab of Bengal. Then who is the Nawab of Bengal? Siraj-ud-Dola. And who is the chief commander of Siraj-ud-Dola? Mir Jafar is the commander-chief of Siraj-ud-Dola, and Mir Jafar was defection, and he accept the bribe whatever the given by the Robert Clive, and that's why here the Siraj-ud-Dola was lost this war against the British East India Company, and that's why here this war was the main turning point of the history of India.